I keep seeing videos like this. In order for you to have views on YouTube, you have to do this and do that. Well, it's 2025, right? Is it possible for you to be able to grow your own YouTube channel, your Instagram, and your personal brand, all as a small content creator? Well, I'm going to be putting that to the test, not 100 days, just to prove to you guys that sometimes it's not luck, it's just dedication and consistency. Now, if I were you, I would like this video so I could come back later and see how things go. Now, the purpose of this video is just to let you know and give you some few tips. Now, I'm going to be covering every angle and every aspect in another type of video. Before the battle plan and before the execution, there's two things we have to put in mind. We're not just going to take it seriously, but we're going to take it personal. The goal is not to go viral, but to build a solid community. Now, if you want to be a part of this, make sure you comment where you're from and your name. Now, moving on to the battle plan and to the execution, I spent the next 48 hours trying to find the perfect battle plan so there could be no errors and it could be flawless. If I'm to choose quality over quantity or quantity over quality, when to upload, how to upload, how many days a day I should upload, all these I had to take into consideration so it could be flawless. After all that, after finding the perfect battle plan to use, now it is not time to choose my niche. Now, since I have a lot of clothes, I decided to just go with clothing. Now, I'm going to be doing videos related to clothing and fashion design only, nothing more, nothing less. Now, it's not time for the execution. Before that, I'm just going to say something real quick. I'm not going to create a Shopify account simply because I need to get the monetization goal first and build my Instagram followers to at least 1,000 followers and my YouTube to 1,000, and so that way I can connect my Shopify to my YouTube for a better promotion assets. But that's going to be another video entirely. So I just want to make that clear. I'm going to focus mainly on my YouTube channel and my Instagram at first, trying to see if I could grow them rapidly and get the monetization goal in less than 2 weeks. How many days? I have a lot of clothes. I decided to just go with clothing. After all that, after finding the perfect battle plan to use, now it is not time to choose my niche. Now, since I have a lot of clothes, welcome to my channel. My name is Ikmamosa. All I want for you to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.